Have you ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel, making a passive income, without ever showing your face or even recording your own voice? It might sound too good to be true, but thanks to the incredible power of artificial intelligence, this is now a reality for thousands of creators. Welcome to the world of YouTube automation with AI, the game-changing strategy that's letting people build profitable channels faster than ever before. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you, step by step, how you can build your very own AI-powered YouTube empire from scratch. We'll cover everything from finding a profitable niche to generating entire videos using nothing but AI tools. So, if you're ready to unlock a new way of creating content, stick around. First things first, what exactly is a YouTube automation channel? Sometimes called a faceless channel, it's a channel where the content is created and published systematically, often by a team or, in our case, with the help of powerful software. The goal is to create high-quality videos at scale without the creator needing to be the on-camera personality. Think about channels that show compilations, historical stories, guided meditations, or financial news summaries. The content is the star, not the person. Now, where does AI fit in? Well, AI supercharges this entire process. It can help you with every single step, from brainstorming video ideas to writing scripts, generating voiceovers, finding visuals, and even creating the final video. It's like having a tireless, creative assistant working for you 24/7. The foundation of any successful channel, AI automated or not, is choosing the right niche. This is where many people get stuck, but AI can be your secret weapon. Instead of just guessing what might be popular, we can use AI tools to analyze trends and identify profitable niches with high demand and low competition. For example, you can use AI-powered keyword research tools to explore topics. Let's say you're interested in history. You could ask an AI chat tool like ChatGPT to generate a list of 50 niche YouTube channel ideas within the history category. It might suggest things like forgotten battles of World War II, daily lives of ancient Romans, or the history of technology. The key is to get specific. A broad history channel is too competitive, but a channel about historical mysteries could attract a dedicated audience. Think about evergreen topics, things people are always searching for, like personal finance, health and wellness, psychology, or pet care. These are fantastic for automation because the content stays relevant for years. Once you've got your niche, it's time to generate endless video ideas. This is where AI truly shines and saves you hours of brainstorming. Let's stick with our historical mysteries example. You can go back to your AI tool and give it a prompt like, generate 20 viral video titles for a YouTube channel about historical mysteries. You'll instantly get a list of clickable titles like the unsolved riddle of the Roanoke colony. Was the Library of Alexandria really destroyed? Or the Man in the Iron Mask declassified? You can even ask the AI to structure these ideas into a content plan for your first month. This systematic approach ensures you'll never run out of things to create. The goal is consistency, and with an AI-generated content calendar, you'll always know what your next video is about, keeping your production line moving smoothly. With a killer title in hand, the next step is the script. A well-written script is the backbone of your video. In the past, this meant hours of research and writing. Today, AI can draft a compelling script in minutes. Using our title, The Unsolved Riddle of the Roanoke Colony, you could prompt your AI with, write a 1,500-word YouTube video script about the mystery of the Roanoke colony. Start with a strong hook, explain the historical context, detail the main theories, and end with a thought-provoking question for the audience. The AI will then generate a complete script, often structured with an introduction, main body, and conclusion. Now, here's a crucial pro tip. Don't just copy and paste. Use the AI-generated script as a solid first draft. Read through it, fact-check the details using reliable sources, and inject your own unique voice and style. You can tweak sentences to make them more engaging or rearrange sections for better flow. This human touch is what will set your content apart and make it truly valuable. Now we need a voice to bring our script to life. If you're not comfortable recording your own voice, AI voiceover generators are your new best friend. These tools have become incredibly realistic. You can choose from hundreds of voices, accents, and styles, from a deep, authoritative documentary narrator to a friendly, upbeat storyteller. Simply copy and paste your script into the software, and it will generate a high-quality audio file. Platforms like 11 Labs, Muff AI, or Play HT offer stunningly human-like voices. You can even adjust the pacing, pitch, and add pauses to make the narration sound more natural. Spend some time experimenting to find a voice that perfectly matches the tone of your niche. A calming voice for a meditation channel or an energetic one for a tech news channel. This step completely removes the need for expensive microphones or a quiet recording space. A video needs visuals, and this is another area where AI is a game changer. For a faceless channel, you'll be relying on stock footage, images, and animations. Manually searching for the perfect clips can be tedious. But AI-powered video editors and stock media sites are making this easier. Tools like InVideo or Pictory can automatically find relevant stock footage based on your script. You just upload your script, and the AI analyzes the text and pulls clips from a massive library to match the narration. For example, when your script mentions sailing across the ocean, the AI will find a clip of a 16th century ship. You can then easily edit, rearrange, or replace these clips in a simple timeline editor. Furthermore, AI image generators like Midjourney or DALL-E 3 can create completely unique, custom images and artwork for your thumbnails or to illustrate specific points in your video where stock footage just wouldn't do. Imagine creating a stunning, artistic impression of the lost colony for your thumbnail. It's guaranteed to grab attention. We've got our script, our voiceover, and our visuals. Now it's time to put it all together. This is the video editing phase. While you can use traditional software like Adobe Premiere Pro, many AI-powered online video editors are designed for speed and simplicity. As mentioned, tools like InVideo and Pictory are built for this workflow. They combine the script, the AI voiceover, and the AI-selected visuals into a single project. You can then easily add background music from their library, insert text overlays to highlight key points, and add transitions between clips. The user interface is often a simple drag-and-drop system, making it accessible even if you have zero editing experience. The goal here is a professional-looking video that keeps the viewer engaged. Good pacing, clear visuals, and appropriate background music are key. Once you're happy with the final product, you can render and download your video, ready for YouTube. The final step is to optimize your video for the YouTube algorithm. Your hard work creating the video will be wasted if no one can find it. AI can help here, too. You can use tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ, which use AI to suggest the best keywords, tags, and description for your video. You can also use ChatGPT to help write a compelling, keyword-rich description. Just give it your script and title and ask it to write a YouTube description for a video titled The Unsolved Riddle of the Roanoke Colony, including relevant keywords and hashtags. A great thumbnail is arguably the most important element for getting clicks. Use an AI image generator to create a unique, eye-catching base image. Then use a simple tool like Canva to add bold, easy-to-read text. Your title and thumbnail work together to tell a potential viewer what your video is about and why they should click on it. So there you have it, the complete blueprint for building a YouTube automation channel using AI. We've gone from finding a niche to generating ideas, writing scripts, creating voiceovers and visuals, and finally, editing and optimizing the video for success. It's a powerful system that levels the playing field, allowing anyone with a good idea and a willingness to learn to build a successful channel. Remember, while AI does the heavy lifting, your role as the creative director is crucial. You guide the AI, you refine its output, and you provide the strategic vision. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide has inspired you to start your own AI-powered YouTube journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Now go out there and start creating.